Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith.
And I'm Kaylee.
And today we're going to show you what's inside your Coachmen Clipper roof. The goal of today's video is to assist you if you need to rebuild a section of your roof.
We're going to cut it open to show you what's inside.
Now, say you have a Coleman or Fleetwood camper and you're looking for this type of information, we already have a video covering the 3 most popular roofs on Coleman and Fleetwood campers. You can find it right here on this channel, Pop-Up Camper Pro, under the library roofs. Kaylee, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, the roof that we're going to open up came off a 2019 Coachmen Clipper. Let's slice and dice. All right, on the side of our roof here, we find a thin exterior metal, 1/2-inch plywood, and then an 1/8 inch of plastic. It goes all the way up to the top of this roof. There's no rounded cove on this roof. It is just squared off.
At the top, we have a thin sheet of metal and then an 1/8 inch of plywood with an inch of styrofoam and another 1/8 inch of luan.
And you see here we have the 12-volt power for the roof running along this side. This is common with pop-up campers. Your 12-volt power comes up in one corner, typically by a lift post, runs all along one side, and then feeds sideways across the roof to any power ports, lights, or powered fans. And that does it, folks. We hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Mash that notification bell and give the video a thumbs up.
And we'll see you at the campground.